The ball is on your court now,
yes.
Okay? You are going to give me a call as soon as she agrees.
Thank you, sister. Adamne.
Yes.
I want to say, may the Almighty God grant you journey mercy as you go back to the city in Jesus' name.
Amen. That is my prayer. And that reminds me, Oni. You know, we ladies, we love care. And you know we love attention. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
So I want you to go close to her. Yes, go close to her and make her, you know, to accept you. Make her to see reasons to love you. And let her be sure that this marriage, you are serious with it. Okay?
Yes, sister, I will. Adamne.
And leave the money I expect for me. I will take care of it.
Thank you, Adamne. Adamne, how long am I going to continue working in the palace as a guard? Am I not grown enough to take up the mantle, or let me say, my inheritance?
I understand. No rational man would like to keep you in the palace. Okay? When you are already married. No rational man. Did you understand me? Okay? Cheer up.
Thank you, sister.
You know you're a big man now.
Thank you.
See my small brother.
Yeah. Let me be on my way now.
No problems.
Thank you.
No problems.
All right.
Take care of yourself.
All right.
And be good though.
Thank you.
It's well. Mama Mo.
Why are you far away from me? You need to come close. I miss you. You need to touch me. Come here.
My prince, I can see you only value me when you want to use me to satisfy your lustful desires. Indeed, I am your sex toy.
And what does that mean?
Who was that lady you commanded me to serve and spoke to me in her presence without regard?
Afoma, that you and I have something going on. Should that make you forget who you are in this palace?
Oh, my prince, please spare me. What I was to you before doesn't matter. What I am to you now counts. And you should accord me some respect while talking to me in front of commoners and strangers.
I think I understand you. And I'm sorry. I apologize for making you feel bad. Can you smile for the prince now? Come here. I'm sorry. Listen, I apologize for that, okay? I don't want to make you feel bad.
It's okay, my prince charming.
Yeah.
That's more like it. Thank you for making me part of royalty.
So tell me, what would you like I do for you? What do you want?
I want you.
You want me? Okay, I know you want me, but what else do you want?
Just you.
Just me? Wow.
Mama, thanks for the drink. I think I should be on my way now.
Yeah. Are you talking like that? You think I'll just allow you go like that without eating? Hang on. Don't be in a hurry. The food will soon get done. Oh?
Mama, please don't be hard on me. I've overstayed my permission.
Onyeka.
Mama.
Onyeka.
Mama.
10 minutes will not kill you. Oh? It will not. You just be patient. The food will soon done. And besides, Esther will come back here. And I'll tell Esther that you left without eating. She will kill me, so you just wait. She will soon come. Oh?
Well, Mama, if you say 10 minutes, I will wait. But I will not eat much because as you can see now, my belly is, my tummy is okay now.
There's no problem.
So as for Esther, I can always come back to see her.
You will wait. She will soon be here.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yeah, she will soon be here.
Mama.
Oh, she's around.
She's here.
You see, I think I knew.
Welcome.
Yeah, here.
Welcome.
So take care of him, eh? Right. Let me check the food.
Hey, you're welcome. Has it been long?
Not too long.
Okay. You're welcome.
Welcome. Adane say I should give you this envelope.
Adane. Adane, what have I done to Adane? She will not kill me with gifts. Ha!
You are here to see the best of Adane. Ha! I know she's waiting for your acceptance to my proposal.
About that, I think we should take things slow. Marriage is a lifetime thing, so there is no need rushing into it. Moreover, and most importantly, we should seek God's face in this.
I agree though. I agreed. But the earlier you ask God to answer, the better.
Onyeka, you are very funny. No one can dictate to God or tell him what to do. We just have to be patient.
No problem, you win.
Hey, Adane.
Hey.
Okay, so this is the gifts, the money from Adane. So I want to share. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hey! Esther.
Yes, that's for
Mama. Enough for what? 1.
Mama, your own is here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dear mother, sweetest mother, this is for you.
Hey! For me?
Yes.
Hey, what? Hey!
Then 5,000 naira for moi.
Esther, you now took just 5,000.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey!
You are a very good person.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If I tell you that I am not happy of the cooperation between the two of you, how are sick and Nico?
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, why are you still dwelling in the past?
Hey.
Let us live on today. Yesterday is in the tomb. Today, I mean the future, is in the womb.
Exactly, my sister. All things have
Passed away. Everything has become
new.
Hey, Mama! Past 7 pie.
Seeing you like this, I have refused to die. I will not die again.
You will not die, yo.
I will not die again.
You will see our children.
I will not die.
You will not die.
I want you powder potano. It's like, you know what I want. Powder 2,000, Mama. Lipstick 1,500.
Linda, you have started. Powder 2,000, lipstick 1,500. Let me keep my money very well because...
Mama,
what is that? Just wait.
Pico. Hey, American. I know that.
American.
Tell me about take care.
You're not thinking of Ogri and Ugu and Azu. You're thinking of American.
What is the meaning of that nonsense? Look at this nitwit. This good for nothing low life. Of course that is what you will be good at. Then when it comes to taking responsibilities, you put your 2 hands in the nose and tell me that you're an orphan.
Relax. Listen, why are you acting like this? Is it because I'm playing with you? I mean, you're not even beautiful. I'm just trying to manage you.
Njideka, you have suffered. Look at this ugly baboon talking to the most beautiful girl in this world. You were not even my class. Let me remind you, I deal with men of integrity. So let me be!
Okay, I know you are ugly and stinking, but I'll manage you because I like you. Okay?
If you know how I hate you with everything in me, you will not talk to me.
Look at you. Look at you. You're here ranting. You don't even know the princess is back with her international passport.
Keep your useless and stupid information to yourself. Cha cha cha! Cha cha cha! Okay. Imagine the impudence.
That's the way it's done. Nice. That reminds me. Can you guess who graced the palace with her beauty in your absence?
My prince.
Yes.
How will I know? Huh? You know the palace always receive visitors almost every minute.
Right.
So,
can you remember a lady, a very pretty lady we saw during one of our hunting expeditions?
my prince, here you come again. You are giving me a hard task. You know we always meet ladies. So how will I know?
Okay. Remember, there's a lady, a very pretty lady we saw in the name of Esther Chionye. Esther Chionye.
Esther Chionye.
Yes, she was going to the farm. She had farm tools in her hands. I think she was going to the farm.
My prince, the king requires a presence in there.
Alright. Listen, think about it. That lady is quite different from every other person I've met. I'll be right back. Give me a second.
Linda, my love. In fact, I must confess, you have transformed me into a very young man, both in the spiritual, the physical, and the mental.
How do you mean?
Hey, look, I'm damn serious.
Do you mean it?
In fact, sometimes I begin to wonder why you chose me above all those young men that are pursuing you.
Is it my fault that I decided to fall in love with a handsome man like you?
No, my love, not at all.
Aye.
Hey.
Anyway, there's this my friend that has been meaning to meet you.
Who is he or she?
It's a girl, my bosom friend. But I don't want her to come anywhere close to you. I don't even want to see her around you.
Why?
What do you mean why? Yeah. You want me to start sharing you with another person? I don't even want to think of it. I don't want to imagine it. I don't want her to come anywhere around you.
But when did I become the toast of all the young ladies around?
I'm not sure you look at yourself in the mirror. You don't know how handsome you are. This your mustache, your eyes, everything about you is superb. Aye, even this thing you are doing now. Listen, I protect whatever I have with my heart. So the way I'm protecting you now, I'm holding you like this. Aye, is it what? Even this thing you're doing now is sweeting me.
No! Afoma even began to act jealous when I asked her to attend to Esther.
My prince, with the way you are sounding, is there any other thing that transpired between you and Esther?
Well, listen, I think and I feel I am in love with her. My heart beats for her. Like, that's how I feel.
My prince, I don't understand. What happened to Afoma?
Onyeka, Afoma is on her own. I am talking about a lady who is fit, who is perfectly fit to be my wife, a potential queen of this entire kingdom. Don't you understand?
See, my prince, you amuse me. Huh? Afoma is overqualified to be Prince Ifani's wife. I don't know why you are talking about Esther. I don't understand.
Says who? A common palace maid is overqualified to be my wife? Are you trying to insult me? Onyeka, are you trying to insult me?
Your Honor, my prince, I didn't mean to insult you. I'm sorry, I'm only talking to you as a friend. Please forgive me.
And I hope it remains that way.
Hey, Onyeka, you called me.
Yes, I called you Afoma. Afoma is a concerned friend and a co-worker in this palace. I want to ask you a question. Where is this your relationship with the prince is heading to?
Here. Oh, you know what, Juju? Bia Onyeka, what is your business with the relationship I have with the prince? Oh, what is even your take now? What is your take in this relationship?
Nothing, no, nothing. I just want to advise you.
Oh yeah, now what is the advice?
See, Afoma, I want you to be more serious with the prince. And be ready to face any other woman that will come in between you and the prince.
Hey, Onyeka, you have a point, oh. But look at me now. I am trying, oh. I am trying so hard. But you know you are closer to the prince. Why not advise him to stop all this pium 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 in agari pium pium pium? Let him focus on me instead. Advise him against getting involved with all these stupid girls that cannot offer him anything now. Am I not beautiful enough?
Well, you are right. But you stand a better chance to control his wild emotion. Yes, now.
Onyeka, I don't understand what you mean by wild emotions. What do you mean?
Well, I just spoke to you as a sister, so you know what to do. If you like, you allow all these useless girls to collect the prince from you. That is your own business. I'm just advising you.
Where is this Justina now? Justy, what kept you so long?
Gee, you called me.
Justy, babe. I told you that a former girl is a hot pants. Her leg no they close. Pium 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 pium. I wonder whether the city where she came from, they know they close leg. From Prince Ifeanyi to Onyeka. Who then is calling the shots?
NJ, try and give yourself some peace. Do you know what they're discussing?
Oh, please. What could they be discussing about if not for love affairs? See, let me tell you. Fear that girl of Oma. She is corruption personified.
Oh, Njideka, my friend. Don't jump into conclusions. They might be discussing on a way to move this palace forward.
Oh, shut up! Shut it! Is she the king to move the palace forward? Move which palace forward? See, come, let me tell you. Open your eyes. Be wise, Justina. Even the Bible says, be wise as a serpent. Open your eyes. See, come, Justina. The way you are beginning to think, it's like I would disassociate myself from you.
Hey, why are you disassociating yourself from me now? I'm not a former.
Oh, please, get out!
NJ, hey, this is a former girl. This is a former girl. Her trouble is too much in this palace. Pium, 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 pium. Even this Njideka. Her own trouble is like it's more worst. Hey, Njide, come now. Hey.
I have been expecting you.
Expecting me?
Yeah.
I can't remember having an appointment with you.
Well, I knew you were coming to pick up your recommendation letter from my father. Yes.
That means you're a nice person. You hardly forget things.
Well, I can't forget anything that concerns you.
My brains.
That's right. Please come with me. Come. You see, there's something very important I need to talk to you about.
Nobody can take it away from me. I have found my love. I have found my soulmate. Nobody can take it away from me.
I've come to seek advice from you on how to handle this ugly and confusing situation, Mama.
My son, you are old enough to take responsibility of your action. You should stand up as a man and confront Esther. Huh?
Come to think of it, Mama. Is it right for me to confront Esther when she has not rejected or accepted my proposal?
That is the issue. Who knows if Esther has taken you serious? Yes.
How do you mean, Mama?
Onyeka.
Mama.
It's because you lack manly approach. I guess you are afraid of telling Esther how you feel about her. Eh?
Mama, to be sincere with you, I told Esther that I want to marry her.
Just like the way you did before your elder sister and we interfered. Hey.
Mama, please tell me. This situation is dicey. How can I drag a lady with a prince? I can't. Oh.
My son.
Mama.
Are you not a man?
I'm a man now.
Can't you stand up and face your challenges? Eh? Will I do that one for you? You are a man, are you not? Answer me.
Mama, I'm a man.
Hey, hey. Do it. Eh? Who knows? Esther might have been in love with you secretly, but she's waiting for you to act like a man. Take a move. Eh? Yes.
Alright, Mama, I will try my best.
Please, let your best this time be the best.
Okay, we're almost home, right?
Yes. Thank you.
You know, I've been meaning to say something to you. I know it sounds really sudden, but I'm just hoping to get an opportunity to express myself, you know. The truth is, I feel very special. I feel something really special anytime I'm around you. And it makes me feel like you're my wife already, you know? I want to make you my wife, Esther, and I hope that you would give me the chance to do that.
Hey, Prince.
Yeah.
It's your wife. This is rather sudden, like you said.
I know.
Don't you think that we need time to get to know each other, be friends before you...
That's why I said I feel something really special. I know I should give you time. I know I should, you know, get to know you better. But the truth is, of course, I am aware that there are so many people on your case, so many suitors and people who like you. But I really hope that I can be given an opportunity to express how I feel, which is show you that I'm the right man for you. I love you and I want to get married to you. Please just give me the chance.
Do you believe in prayers?
Well, yeah, I mean, I believe in God. I believe in prayers as much as my father is a traditionalist. It doesn't stop me from praying or believing in God.
Okay. I want you to give me some time to pray about this and get back to you.
That's okay. I mean, you can take all the time you need. It's not a problem at all. I hope the prayers don't stay too long.
I can't say, but just give me some time to pray about it.
Alright, that's
fine. Not to compromise, but expect the best in one another. But prepare for the worst anytime.
My princess.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to be a worthy ambassador of your family and community as well in overseas.
Yes, I will.
Always think home. Do not be carried away by the trend of foreign things and traditions.
I promise, Mom. I will not. Don't worry, I'll be fine.
I like that. Now, remember you are royal. Do not get yourself involved with anything that can or could tarnish our image or bring disgrace back to us.
Mama, you worry too much. Okay, I promise I'll be of good behavior. I will not take down the royal status. I'll be a good girl. I'll be of good behavior. Mommy, I'll do everything for you. I promise.
That's my baby.
Oh, you worry too much.
I don't worry. No, you are my princess, my only. Onyeka,
My queen.
you are at home.
Yes, my queen.
And where is my son?
I didn't go out with the prince, my queen.
Says by who? You are not serious. Onyeka, tell me you are joking. Where is my son?
Ma'am.
Stop calling me, Onyeka. Before I open my eyes, disappear and report back with my son right now! Did you not hear me?
He's still standing there. He's still standing. Mom, I don't understand this boy. I think this boy is very stubborn. I can remember vividly you told him not to ever allow the prince leave this palace without following him. So what is this now?
I don't just I don't understand guards of these days. Huh? Imagine Onyeka.
He'll be fine, don't worry. He'll be fine.
It is indeed a great honor to have you under our roof today.
My pleasure. Honestly, I feel honored to be here as well. And what you can do for me is to kindly convince Esther to accept my proposal.
My prince, my prince. Don't make it look as if I'm playing hard to get. I only asked you to give me some time to pray about it.
Okay, some time to pray about it.
Do you know what? Consider it done. Do not bother yourself anymore. You see this one here? She's my daughter.
Right.
And I know the key to her heart.
Huh, Mama? Which key?
Okay. Kindly unlock her heart so she can accept my proposal. Come on.
Okay, Mama. See my heart. Unlock it.
Mama, thank you very much.
Thank you too.
I'll see you some other time. Yeah. All right, thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you into the car.
Okay, do.
I want a chica chin is you, boy. Onisia Chima. I want a chica chin is you, boy. Onisia Chima. I want a chica chin is you, boy. Onisia Chima. I have found love. I have found my soulmate. Nobody can take it away from me. I have found my love. I have found my soulmate. Nobody can take it away from me.
Brother Onyeka, why did you abandon the palace gate without informing anybody? Eh? Why did you leave it?
I'm sorry. I received an urgent message from my mother. So I have to run home to see her.
By neglecting the ethics and the duty. Eh? As a palace man in this place, you're not supposed to be doing that. It should be at your own lookout.
Dikeh, I understand. I know I'm wrong, but I'm sorry. Huh? Do you know the prince whereabouts?
Is he fine?
Yeah.
I opened the gate for him not quite long ago. And he drove out with that maiden that came here the last time.
You mean Esther?
Esther. I don't know her name. But from my understanding, she's Chief Chinonye's daughter. The first daughter.
Hi, Esther again. Why? Why?
Why you shouting now? Do you know her? Why? What is why? You're coming out from your Kanekun game and guessing why? Coming and shouting. You should be careful in this palace. So
my prince, as I was saying, why not concentrate on our former, whom I think will make a loyal and honest wife to you?
Onyeka.
My prince.
Honestly speaking, I am beginning to suspect your sudden interest on this matter. Why are you so interested? Have you been bribed? Were you convinced to make me marry Afoma? What is really going on?
My prince, nothing of such is going on. Rather, I am trying to prevent any possible royal scandal and insult.
And how do you mean?
My prince, you know how honorable the king is. I don't want a situation whereby people will start gossiping that you have slept with her former and dump her because she's a common royal maid.
But that's who she is. She's only a maid, a palace maid for that matter. Now come to think of it, how many people know about my affair with Afoma? Have you been going about discussing it? Who have you told?
God forbid, my prince. My prince, don't you trust me again?
I don't know who to trust anymore. I don't trust anyone anymore. Now listen to me and listen good, Onyeka. I am the prince of this kingdom. So that means I decide what happens around here. I can get married to whoever I like. And Esther is my choice. And there's nothing anyone can do about it.
It was not like a dream. It was real. More like a revelation. My sister, Linda, was chasing me in the dream with a cutlass. I was running for my dear life. Then suddenly, I saw Onyeka. Then I ran to him for protection. But he left me and ran away instead. Then I continued running. Then I met the prince, Prince Ifeanyi. I ran to him and he stood his ground. He was ready to protect me with his life. And my sister, on the other hand, was ready to cut the prince and I. And eventually, my sister cut the prince. Like I said, it was more like a revelation. It was too real. I don't know what to make out of this.
See, my friend. It's just a mere dream.
My dream?
Yes. I mean, you bother yourself so much over this particular dream. See, there's what we call familiar spirits. And these familiar spirits are spirits that monitors children of God. I don't think it's something you should worry your head about. Yes.
I think you're right. Why would the spirit cut the prince as he was trying to protect me?
And this question, I would say, is your victory. You should rather rejoice. Rejoice? Yes. Can't you see it's a direct prayer answered between the two men, Onyeka and Prince? Are you not seeing it that way? Yes!
You're right.
That's the truth.
You are right. It's a revelation. How come I did...
You're there bothering your head.
You're a prophetess. In fact, you are nothing short of a prophetess.
I told you.
In fact, henceforth, you are high prophetess Joy.
You know what we'll do? We'll look for a small kiosk and open by church.
Why didn't I think of this?
It's just a mere dream, my dear.
Oh my goodness. What do I offer you, my friend?
My dear, as a prophetess.
Don't go there. I don't have tights. No, I don't have tights.
No. I need...
Dad, are you sure the prince is not playing pranks on us?
My son cannot do that. He is a talk and do son. He never tells a lie.
Of course. He took after his father.
Okay, and I took after.
Me, of course. You don't lie, remember?
I know, Mom.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, my son.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Your Highness.
You're welcome, my daughter.
My queen.
You're welcome,
my princess.
Dad.
Yes.
Her name is Esther.
I know.
Mom, that's Esther. That's Esther.
She's beautiful.
Wonders they say shall never cease.
Oh, right.
As a matter of fact, what goes around comes around.
Oh, I know why you said that.
My dear.
Esther, my daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My dear. Henceforth, you are my daughter-in-law. We are happy with my son's choice of a wife. You're 100%.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome, Esther. You know, it's really hurting that I'm traveling abroad tomorrow, and I mean, I should have time to get to know you better.
All the same, my princess. I pray that the good Lord will grant you journey mercies and that you achieve all your purpose of traveling.
Amen.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
My queen. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here.
You're welcome, my daughter. My princess, please go and set the table.
Listen, enough of the thank you. I'm getting bored already. Let's go get something to eat.
I love it. Because it's waiting even if you are former. Open and what is it that you love? Justina one no. Justina one AJ the game changer. AKA the game changer. Justina, baby, finally the chips are down. We now know who is the winner and loser in the marriage contest. Oh man, NJ na Chokwanoko, you are looking for trouble, oh. Justin, baby. I told you that some ladies will be interim or satisfy my sexual needs while they wait for the real wife to come.
And that was exactly what our former served us.
Hey! Oh. Behold, Esther Chionya. Yes. Cometh to be Prince Ifeanyi's wife.
But wait, NK is not good. It's not good. NJ is not good.
Wait till the prince catches him, and then you will say what is not good. Okay, love, joy.
Every time. I will not say anything. My mouth is shut. NJ, boy, you don't have to be angry. Why are you leaving me behind? My beautiful angel.
Onyeka, you have nothing against the prince because you acted cowardly.
Will you shut up your mouth? I didn't call you here to mock me. The prince has the right to overtake me, to win Esther's heart because he knew that I was in love with her.
Really? Onyeka, do you know you are a coward, dying in silence?
Me a coward?
How do you expect the prince to know that you were in love with his fiancée? Come on!
But I was nursing the hope of asking her to marry me.
Oh, really? Okay then. Very well. But please, count me out from this nonsense.
I should do my day.
Yes.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
I have found my love. I have found my heart.
So, Chief.
My dear.
My father asked to see you so you can both talk about the marriage rites. Okay. On the other hand, do the marriage preparations together. Yeah.
It's all right, my son. As my king, I will obey his invitation.
That's fine.
But tell him that we have to follow the procedure traditionally.
Exactly, and I'm sure that's why he wants to see you.
No problem.
Thank you. Okay. I'll be on my way now. Yes.
You're not taking anything?
I'm fine.
Okay. You will send my regards to your mother, the queen. Oh?
I'll do just that. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Esther!
Bye.
Esther! Bia. Esther!
Esther! The prince is leaving.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll see him off.
Okay.
All right. Take care.
Oh.
Bye.
Be careful not to come.
Okay, so you have to be at the palace very early so we can bid the princess farewell together.
That reminds me, why is she traveling?
She's traveling overseas to further her education, basically. Yeah.
Okay. I hope you don't travel to further your own education.
Well, let's say I'm not in a hurry to do that. My father wouldn't approve of that because he wants me to stay back and get married.
My prince. You talk as if we've been engaged for years.
Well, it makes no difference. I mean, looks like I've known you for ages.
Okay, so...
You'll be at the palace very early in the morning, right?
Yes, I will.
Alright, you be good? Okay. I'll see you.
I'll see you.
Esther, my daughter. If I tell you that I'm not disappointed, I'm lying. The way you dashed out the love and trust I have for you, honestly, I wasn't expecting that.
Mama, please. I don't like the way you're sounding, please. Okay, let's look at it from the spiritual aspect. If God had approved my union with Onyeka, who am I to go against it?
My friend, forget this thing you are talking here. You think I don't know? You dumped me for Prince because I am poor. But remember, it's not over until it's over.
Onyeka, what has come over you? Why are you pointing at me?
Why wouldn't I point at you?
Listen, I don't like your choice of words. It's irritating. Remember, I never knew you or expected marriage proposal from you before I became family friend with Mama here.
And so?
Essie, my daughter, I was thinking that you will make the relationship permanent by marrying my son, Onyeka, my only son.
Mama, I wish I could. However, I cannot go against the will of the Lord. But I pray that the good Lord will give Onyeka someone made for him, someone divinely made for him.
I don't forget it. I pray that God will give Onyeka someone made for him. See, Esther, you are a pure scam. Yes, you are a scam. You think I don't know your plan? All your plan is to become the next queen of this kingdom. You think I don't know? Don't worry.
Onyeka, marriage is not by force. You pray that God gives you a woman that is mindly made for you. Yes, you can force her.
Mama, is this all you have to say? You are supporting Esther, right? That you are telling me now that I should forget marriage is not by force, it's not by this. You are supporting Esther. In short, Mama, I am leaving. Esther, let's meet at the palace. Telling me,
Mama, you know that if I have my way, I will marry Onyeka. If not for any other thing, because of you and Adanne. But you see, I cannot go against the will of the Lord. Please try and understand, please.
My daughter, I understand. But I would have been the happiest woman on earth if you had married my son and replaced my home. Even if I'm dying, I would be happy.
Mama.
I will know that somebody is in my house. Somebody, not any other person but you.
Mama.
But you.
Mama, first of all, you are not dying. You are not going anywhere. And my prayer is that the good Lord will give your son someone better than I am.
you old fool. Now listen. In a month time, I am coming to take over my position from you. So use this period to prepare yourself. Else!
Onyeka, is it I, the dreaded Wogu, the chief priest of this kingdom, that you are pointing at and talking to in this manner without fear? Hey.
I can still beat you. You know why? Because the gods of this land know that I am the true beneficiary of this position. Therefore, fail to hand over to me in a month time and see what I will do to you.
Well, I am yet to hear from the gods over this matter. But the Igbe has decreed that I do the handover during the next Ofala. So you wait.
Hey! Mogu, I cannot wait till the next Ofala festival. I want the handover in just a month time. That is final. Idiot. You old fool! Old fool!
If I never be even more. Madam, what a bullion this is a thing of the spirit.
My dear, it was indeed a royal welcome. You need to see the way the king and the queen, in fact, the royal household welcomed me. In fact, I felt like a beautiful bride.
But of course you're a beautiful girl. I know what. You're going to make a respected and dignified queen someday. I trust that.
Thank you. And you know what, my friend?
What?
You are going to be my chief bridesmaid on my wedding.
Chief bridesmaid, no. You're going to give me a double honor. You know what? I will serve as your personal assistant. Anything you want me to do, Her Majesty, I will do it.
Agreed.
Okay.
Whatever you say. But you have to make a promise to me that you will stay humble.
Humble?
Humble.
Cross my heart. I cross my heart. Listen, how did he go with Onyeka?
That one. He used all the insulted words on me.
Are you serious?
He called me a scam. I can't even... Hey, God.
Wait. But what more do you expect from him? It's better to do the will of the Lord than dancing to the melody of the Satan.
Exactly.
My dear, let's forget about that charlatan.
Onyeka, I have been very observant. I have noticed your degree of unfriendly attitude towards me. So I called to ask you. I hope I haven't wronged you in any way.
My prince, with due respect, I was brought in here to serve and protect you. That is all I know. I am not in your class.
Onyeka, when you sound like this, I feel like giving you a dirty slap. I have always told you are my friend. We're friends. You need to see me as your friend.
I understand your point, my prince. But you see, I know you are a nice person. But you see, I am not supposed to come near you as an ordinary palace guard. I should be able to know my equal.
Your equal. Onyeka, we are all equal in the eyes of God. Royalty or no royalty, I value friendship over wealth, class, or position. That's me for you.
Well, I'm sorry, my prince. It's just that some people are trying to deny me of my every right and privilege because of my low life.
Listen, you need to stop. You need to cheer up. You need to man up. It's okay. Listen, no condition is permanent. You need to have that at the back of your mind. You need to be lively. So tell me, are we going hunting today?
No, my prince, I am not in the mood.
Oh, that's fine. Get some rest then.
Thank you.
You ready?
Born ready.
Born.
I was born ready.
All right, cool. That's fine. There you go.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go.
Somebody's
Hold
blood
on.
gonna dry. Oh, it's my turn. Wait.
It's your turn?
Yes,
Okay.
I'll play first.
Okay, that's fine.
General markets.
Really? Okay. I take one. I went to the market.
Another one.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
My turn.
Okay.
I have found my love. I have found my soulmate. Nobody can take it away from me. No be me delugo. No be my julugo. I have found my love. I have found my heart.
It is well with you.
Amen, Your Majesty.
Ifeanyi, you are indeed a very lucky person for choosing such a wonderful maiden for a wife.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Father. Like you said, I've always been a lucky man.
Well, sure. You've always been favored, you know. Enjoy your game.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Majesty.
you, Father. Have a seat. Did you hear my father? He said I'm favored by the gods to have you. Play! Who's playing? Whose turn?
I think you.
Me?
No, me.
You, yes.
I have to go to the market.
Okay, go to the market while I play. What are you hiding?
No, what is he?
No, but you just keep holding like you're holding bombs. Let
You
me see.
want to cheat? Stop it! Stop
Okay,
it!
alright, fine.
Don't
I'm
cheat.
not cheating. Wait, let me see. I want to see. Show me. If you love me, show me what you have. No, you have to show me what you have.
No, I can't do that.
Okay, fine. Just come back. Just sit down. It's fine. Just sit down. Sit down now.
I know what you want to do.
Just
I know what
sit.
you want to do.
No, I want to just sit.
I know what you want to do.
Sit down. No, I'm serious. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. It's fine. Sit down. All right, sit down. I'm not doing it. Just sit down. Sit. What?
Nothing.
Wait, why you don't want to come close to me? Come
Nothing.
close to me.
Let
Come
me
here.
get close to you.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure. My prince, I know what you're trying to do, but it's not your time.
Listen, but we belong together. Come here.
My prince, please. I know, but we can't do this until we are formally married.
Okay, so what does that mean? What do you mean?
It means that I wouldn't want us to have premarital sex.
But we belong to each other. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. I get it. All right, but just come. Take a seat. Sit down. Sit down at least.
I should sit.
Yeah, sit down. I won't hurt you. Just sit down. I promise.
Okay.
So, if I understood you correctly, you said you don't want us to have...
Yes, my prince, until we are formally married.
Like you don't...
My prince.
So as I was saying, from all indication, you have lost that prince to that useless Esther. What are you going to do about it?
What can I do? What can I do? Who's going to speak of a commoner like me? That's why he has the impetus of using me and dumping me.
I am feeling the pain more than the victim.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the concern. But as the prince is your friend, you can advise him to come back to me, because I will be a better wife and future queen.
Why did you say so?
Onyeka, I have been living in this palace for a very long time, and I have come to understand royalty.
Well, I will try my best. I will talk to the prince.
You will do that for me?
Yes, I will.
Thank Thank you so much. Thank you. I promise you that if you do this for me and I become the future queen, your position and your life will change forever. It will not remain the same.
Are you sure?
I promise you.
You promise?
I promise you, please.
You cross your heart?
I promise you.
Okay, there is no problem. I'll do it.
Thank you.
I'll just go back to your duty post. Alright, you can go back to your work.
Thank you.
Dikeh, my man. Onye Okoli.
I'm not angry. I'm very angry already.
What?
See, the queen called me and she was very, very angry with us. You know, she complained on how we leave the prince to go out of this gate without protection. That we should always give the prince protection each time he wants to go out.
So you didn't tell her? You didn't tell her we were with the prince when he summoned us to leave?
I did all those explanations, but she wouldn't listen to them at excuse. In fact, you know what we will do now? We must learn how to disrespect the prince stylishly, especially when he wants to go out of this palace. We must make sure at all time and season we give him the protection he requires. It's very important. I don't want to lose my job in this palace. You know, there's a lot of food in this place.
Really? But then, there's nothing else we can do.
Young man. Dikeh, I want to warn you something about this lady, a former. Make sure you avoid her. You want to stay long in this palace.
Dikeh?
I'm telling you, she doesn't know anything. She doesn't even know how to cook. And have you found out something? Each time she's sharing the food, if it's her turn, she gives me small food. I don't even know why.
I'm sorry, you know you like food too much. But did you notice anything about this girl?
I don't want to notice anything.
She came here to spy on us. That is what she came here to do.
You might be right. Make sure check her. Can you imagine? She cannot even cook well. If it's the other girl now, I used to eat very well. Bad.
No, Your Majesty! Do not eat the food. It is poisoned. Do not eat it.
What? Poison?
Poisoned? Who poisoned the food?
Esther, why are you such an ingrate? After everything the royal household has done for you, you have the mind to poison their food. Unfortunately for you, I saw you add the poison.
What rubbish are you talking about? Is this a joke? Are you mad?